All right, let's get to it. Eastend Vikings on the road this week. Got to deal with them Tri-Citi boys, man. Tri-Citi Hurricanes. I ain't seen Tri-Citi so far this year, but I do know this is not a team you want to bullshit with. This is a big 14U PIFCO matchup today, and Coach McGlone is taking this shit real serious. Look at his face right there. Oh, that's intense, bro. Ain't no smiling today, man. Right off top, power running game in effect. The train for big first down yardage. Bone crusher, number 5, quarterback. Under center, take snap. Hey, oh, ball is picked up by Tri-Citi's number 92, but he lost it. Picked up and recovered it by the train. Bone crusher, under center, take snap. Drops back, but he's under heavy pressure by Tri-Citi's number 38 and number 23 for a huge quarterback sack. Bone crusher in shotgun. Drops back. Throws downfield. Incomplete. Looking for the train. That's going to give the ball right back to the Hurricanes. Oh, number 16 on the return. But he tackled immediately by Metatron. Ball is hand off. Oh my goodness. This dude here. This is the bus, man. They got a bus over there. It's the Rome Bettis. Quarterback from the Hurricanes. Hands off to number 16. Oh, he's tackled for a big loss by Metatron. Hurricanes quarterback number 8 in shotgun. Ball snap. He's looked downfield. Oh, but he's under heavy pressure by Mr. Carlos Taylor. And number 89, Big Sexy. Ball is returned to the Vikings with a pitch out to the train. Look at the lead blocker. Look at the lead blocker. It's Bone Crusher. Show me a quarterback in PIFCO that lead blocks, man. The Bone Crusher. Bone Crusher under center. Take snap. Rolls left. Cuts up the field like a man. Oh, first down. Oh, he's in rare form now. Watch the smile on his face. Look, 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 look. He loves it. Second quarter action. Bone Crusher. Pitches out to Metatron. Oh, but this boy here. Who is that guy, man? Big number 94. Looking like L.C. Greenwood on the tackle for loss. Ball handoff to the big man. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Daisy. Will not go there easy. Tough yards for the big man. Oh, but look who's in the game. Tay-Teasy. Tay-Tay, man. Bennis Metatron. First down pass. That's going to bring up a first and goal. Big time pass from Tay-Tay, man. Tay-Tism. Back in the game. First and goal. Bone Crusher. Touchdown. Touchdown. When that boy get like that, man, it's not good for the other team, man. Look at the smile on his face. You don't want him smiling, man. All right, 2-point conversion attempt. Tay-Tay, Tay-Tism, Tay-Teasy on the quarterback keeper. And it's good. Tay-Teasy, man. 8-0 Vikings. Vikings kicking off. Ball is going to be picked up by number 19. And he's going to take a big hit from number 44 and number 6 of the Vikings. Quarterback number 8. Hands off to the bus. The bus. He's brought down by a host of Vikings. Quarterback number 8 in shotgun again. Oh, hands off to, oh my God, it's the bus. Somebody bring down the bus. Big hit. Big hit from Bone Crusher. Woo! That boy brought some heat on that hit. That's why I call him the Bone Crusher, man. The bus is down. Coach McGlone giving assistance. All right, action resumes. Ball handoff to, oh, they got a baby bus. Number 27. Brought down by everybody. Quarterback. Oh, no, there's no quarterback. Oh, no. Number 27 said, give me the ball. But he's brought down. Big solo tackle by the big man. Oh, Daisy.
Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Just to rattle my case, so much shit they sat on my plate. Much shit they sat on my plate. Much shit they sat on my plate. Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Know that my niggas relate. Know that my niggas relate. Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Just to rattle my case, so much shit they sat on my plate. Much shit they sat on my plate. Much shit they sat on my plate.
Brick City, Brick City, Brick City, Brick City, Brick City.
Made mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Made so many mistakes, I know that my niggas relate. Just to rattle my case, so much shit they sat on my plate. Just to rattle my case, so much shit they sat on my plate.